In a world striving for equity, peace and progress, the United Nations Development Programme stands as a pillar of hope, resilience and partnership. Since its global inception 60 years ago, UNDP has remained committed to helping nations build a better future, no matter the challenge, no matter the distance.
UNDP is 60 years. Over that period, we've achieved a lot globally. Coming to Eritrea, we are very happy to have accompanied the government in all its efforts from pre-independence to now.
In Eritrea, this journey began in 1992, just before the nation's independence. What started as a small liaison office has grown into a fully fledged country office, supporting national development every step of the way and support Eritrea in conducting free and fair referendum. UNDP's mission in Eritrea is clear: to support inclusive, sustainable development and help every Eritrean, especially the most vulnerable, live with dignity and opportunity. Over 3 decades, UNDP's support has evolved to meet the country's needs. From post-war recovery and rehabilitation to institutional capacity building, governance, gender equality, youth empowerment, climate action, food security, and renewable energy. In its early years, UNDP focused on emergency support, helping Eritrea rise from the ruins of war. Through recovery and reintegration efforts, it played a key role in helping Eritrean returnees, displaced families, and ex-combatants in rebuilding their lives. As the nation stabilized, the focus shifted to capacity development and institution building. From ministries to local administrations, including civil service reform, from the justice sector to environmental governance, UNDP has helped strengthen the systems that underpin Eritrea's future.
The National Statistical Office of Eritrea was established in the early years after independence in 1993. One of the main implementing partners from the government side regarding the assistance from the UN system, we were among the first ones there. So we as an office, through the programs of cooperation that we sign every 5 years with the UN system, we get the funds based on the programs that we present to them, and we are fortunate enough to be part of this arrangement. Until now, we are receiving a lot of assistance from the UNDP.
UNDP has been a steadfast partner in advancing gender equality and empowering women, supporting the National Union of Eritrean Women, and establishing gender resource and research centers to empower and amplify voices too often unheard.
Cooperation with the United Nations, especially with UNDP, it is one agenda of the UN. So cooperating with National Union of Eritrean Women is very good because it helps us to connect with the community. So I believe our work with the United Nations can make many differences in the community.
UNDP's investments in renewable energy and environmental protection are transforming rural areas. From restoring degraded lands in the Rora Haba Plateau to bringing solar power to remote villages like Areza and Maidima, benefiting over 50,000 people. These initiatives are driving growth and resilience.
The UNDP who have launched the project, they afford budget. It is energizing the 2 semi-urban cities, Areza and Maidima, as well as other 33 villages around Areza and Maidima.
An ambitious electrification project in Eritrea is expanding access to clean energy across the southern region. The first phase has already connected more than 20,000 households, nearly 99,000 people in Eritrea and Sana'a.
The Ministry of Energy and Mines, the Department of Energy, is working closely with the development partners like the United Nations Development Programme in Eritrea. The United Nations Development Programs are dedicated in their work, very fast in giving time response in the communication. We found them they are real development partners.
Through livelihood support in sustainable agriculture and improved land tenure security in over 28 villages under the Sustainable Land Management Program, Thousands of Eritrean families are now more food secure, more resilient, and more hopeful.
As we are celebrating the 6 years of UNDP presence in the world, and UNDP has been the most important partner for the Ministry of Agriculture in supporting all its development programs.
UNDP has also worked to improve access to essential services, supporting healthcare and fighting against COVID-19 pandemic, higher education, water and sanitation, ensuring no one is left behind.
UNDP has been cooperating with the Ministry of Land, Water and Environment for more than 20 years. The cooperation and the support we have from UNDP has been very commendable, and we will still see this cooperation to continue in the future, on both on the ongoing as well as on newly projects that will be developed in the near future.
This work would not be possible without strong national leadership. With the government of the state of Eritrea as its main partner and over 78% of projects nationally executed, UNDP is a true example of partnership in action. From youth employment and skills training to strategic governance and digital innovation, UNDP remains committed to inclusive growth and resilience. The focus is on unlocking human potential, empowering youth, advancing women, and building strong institutions for tomorrow's challenge.
Eritrea has a government that leads and that put importance on the contribution development agencies, especially UNDP, contributes to this country. So as such, the leadership is very much appreciated. And this is what we've been yearning for over the period.
For over 30 years in Eritrea and 60 years around the world, UNDP has been more than a development agency. It has been a trusted partner, a catalyst for change, and a builder of futures. And the journey continues toward a just, inclusive, and sustainable Eritrea, where every citizen has the chance to thrive.